The phrase "stir the pot" is an idiomatic expression that means to deliberately instigate or provoke trouble, controversy, or conflict. It is often used to describe someone's actions aimed at causing agitation or disruption in a situation, relationship, or group dynamic. The metaphorical image is that of stirring a pot of ingredients, causing them to mix and clash, symbolizing the creation of discord or turmoil. The origin of the expression can be traced to cooking, where stirring a pot of ingredients is essential to ensure even heating and blending of flavors. However, in its figurative sense, stir the pot is about creating discord rather than harmony. When someone stirs the pot, they may do so for various reasons, such as seeking attention, gaining a sense of power or control, promoting their own agenda, or simply enjoying the chaos they cause. This behavior is often driven by a desire for attention or a need to create a sense of excitement or drama. In social settings, individuals who stir the pot may engage in gossip, spread rumors, or instigate conflicts between others. Their actions can be disruptive to relationships and group dynamics, leading to tensions and mistrust among people. In the workplace, stirring the pot can manifest through sowing dissent among colleagues, creating rivalries, or undermining team morale. Such actions can negatively impact productivity, collaboration, and the overall work environment. In political or public contexts, stirring the pot can involve intentionally promoting divisive or inflammatory rhetoric to garner support from a particular audience or create controversy for personal gain. It is essential to distinguish between constructive criticism or advocacy for positive change and the act of stirring the pot. While individuals have the right to voice their opinions and challenge the status quo, doing so constructively entails a thoughtful and respectful approach that seeks to improve situations rather than create unnecessary turmoil. Addressing the issue of stirring the pot involves promoting open communication, empathy, and conflict resolution skills. Encouraging individuals to express their concerns or disagreements in a respectful and constructive manner can reduce the likelihood of disruptive behavior. Leadership also plays a critical role in fostering a positive and harmonious environment. Creating a culture of mutual respect, transparency, and accountability can discourage individuals from resorting to pot-stirring tactics to achieve their goals. In conclusion, stir the pot is an idiomatic expression that refers to intentionally instigating trouble, controversy, or conflict. It involves actions aimed at disrupting relationships, group dynamics, or social settings, often driven by a desire for attention or personal gain. To promote a harmonious and productive environment, fostering open communication, empathy, and conflict resolution skills is crucial. Encouraging constructive feedback and promoting respectful dialogue can discourage the unnecessary agitation and discord caused by pot-stirring behavior.